Good morning. Welcome to your 10 a.m. daily weather briefing. We have some mostly cloudy conditions out there this morning, even a few light rain showers or sprinkles out there across the Wallops region. Going to see those showers or light rain showers or drizzle move through the region this morning, and then we'll see a dry time for the late morning hours into the early afternoon hours, and then we'll see a slight chance of a shower or thunderstorm during the afternoon hours today before we see more dry conditions for the evening and overnight hours today into tonight. Looking at our sounding from this morning, we had a freezing level at 13,400 feet. Winds out of the southwesterly direction around 14 to 18 knots in the low levels up to 9,000 feet. And then we see our winds increased up to 37 knots to 16,000 feet as our peak wind through the column this morning. Then we see our winds decrease from 25 to around 30 knots at 20 to 25,000 feet this morning. Looking at our surface analysis this morning, we have this stationary boundary that has been across the Mid-Atlantic and Ohio valleys for the last several days. It's continuing to be across the area. We also have a weak surface trough that's going to be moving towards the region for the afternoon hours, as well as the developing sea breeze boundaries, and that's going to provide us with our slight chance of showers and thunderstorms. We also have a frontal boundary across the Midwest into the southern plain states. It's going to be moving towards our region for Thursday afternoon, and that'll provide us with our next best chance of showers and thunderstorms. Looking at our visible imagery this morning, we have abundance of mid and upper level cloud cover across the region, as well as some low level cloud cover across the Wallops area. You can see continuous stream of clouds from southwest to northeast across our region, and that'll be the case throughout the rest of the morning hours. We should see some of this cloud cover break up and decrease during the afternoon hours as we'll have more heating, and that should allow for some of this upper level cloud cover to move off the coast. Looking at our radar across the region this morning, just seeing some light returns across the island this morning, possible sprinkle there earlier, but overall across the upwind stations of central and southern Virginia, not really seeing much at all. Some light rain showers across western and southern North Carolina this morning, as well as Tennessee and across West Virginia into Kentucky. But overall, the Mid-Atlantic is quite dry this morning, and you continue to see that for the afternoon hours before some showers and thunderstorms develop during the mid-afternoon hours today. Here's one of the WRF models, kind of give you an idea of what the radar may look like this afternoon. Here is 11 o'clock and then 12 o'clock. You can see it pops up some sea breeze showers and possible thunderstorms along the Route 13 corridor. And then we move into the 1 o'clock hour, looking like most of those showers and thunderstorms that they do pop up will be north of the region, so only giving us about a 25% chance of a shower or thunderstorm. And we could see some more convection build west of the area along the western portions of the Chesapeake Bay, and that could provide us with some rainfall as the southwesterly upper level flow pushes the dying thunderstorms into rain showers towards our region. Looking at the GFS model for the next several days, here's our Thursday evening precipitation across the region. Just seeing a possibility of a few lingering pop-up showers or thunderstorms, not very high chance at all, looking about a 15% chance. And then tonight, for our rock-on mission, looking like we'll have some dry conditions. Southwesterly flow will be light here at Wallops, but slightly breezy over the open waters, so could be seeing a bit of a chop on the open waters tonight. And then we'll see a possibility of some low clouds across the Wallops region, as well as those winds will become light tonight. Move into Thursday afternoon, we'll see some showers and thunderstorms develop along the Appalachian Mountains and then pop up and move towards our area for the evening hours. And this system will be digging into the Ohio Valley as a trough, moving through as a cold front at the surface. And with the stronger dynamics associated with this system, we could be seeing some stronger thunderstorms across the region for Thursday afternoon and evening. So make sure if you're outside and see the skies turn stormy, make sure you do take some cover. Moving into our Friday morning, looks like we'll have some breezy conditions as this area low pressure elongates along the coastal sections of the northeast, providing us with a tighter pressure gradient between this area high pressure building in for Friday afternoon, and that'll provide us with some breezy conditions, as I mentioned. Mostly cloudy skies in the morning, becoming partly cloudy in the afternoon on Friday. And then for the weekend, looking like we'll have a system trying to dive into the western mid-Atlantic states and northwesterly upper level flow Saturday morning. Looks like that will stay south of the Wallops region. And then for our Saturday, looks like very nice conditions overall. Slightly breezy during the morning with some more clouds, with that system moving south of us could provide us with some mid-level cloud cover across the region. But overall for the afternoon hours, we'll see partly cloudy to mostly sunny skies, very nice conditions with temperatures in the upper 70s, so a beautiful day for Saturday. And then Sunday will be very similar to Saturday. We'll have an area high pressure building off the coast, and that'll provide us with the return flow across the region. Slightly warmer on Sunday, but overall a very nice day with dry conditions. Now looking at our risk chart for today, we'll have those chances of rain showers this morning through the afternoon hours. The best chance of thunderstorms from noon to 1600 local. Temperatures will be in the mid-80s today to lower 80s, 84 degrees expected for our high. Southerly winds 8 to 13 knots, becoming southwesterly tonight at 5 to 10 knots. A low of 74, so muggy and unusually warm for this time of year for the overnight low. We'll also have a chance of the ceilings below 500 feet tonight with those light winds, as well as the very muggy or humid conditions across the region. Our 24-hour terminal forecast, we do have some low-level cloud cover out there this morning. We'll continue to see that lift to about 2,000 feet for the afternoon hours, and we'll see a 25% chance of thunderstorms, as well as a 25% chance, I should say, of showers until 1,600 local, and then we'll see a 15% chance till 1,800 local, from 1,600 to 1,800 local. And then for the late evening hours, we should see a break in the chances of precipitation, and then we'll pick up a slight chance of a shower or a thunderstorm, about 15% chance from 2,300 local to 2 local on Thursday morning, with additional upper level disturbance moving through the region. By tomorrow morning, we'll have just some partly cloudy to mostly cloudy skies, a chance of a ceiling around 800 feet with the low-level cloud cover possibly in the region. Our tides are slightly above normal, and looking from Thursday through Friday, Thursday will be mostly cloudy in the morning, becoming partly cloudy. The chance of late afternoon and evening showers and thunderstorms. Some of the storms could contain strong wind gusts. Have a hot and humid high of 90 degrees, orange for precipitation and lightning, yellow for winds, and yellow for ceilings. Thursday night, slight chance of a shower or thunderstorm early, then partly to mostly cloudy and breezy. Near dawn, we'll have a low of 72 degrees, a yellow for our winds. And Friday, mostly to partly cloudy, breezy and less humid, high of 84 degrees. We'll have an orange for our winds, so likely over 25 knots. Look at the next 7 days, we'll have a 25% chance of thunderstorms today, 60% chance tomorrow. Some of the models are providing less coverage than the GFS does with the thunderstorms, so only a 60% chance this time. We'll be hot at 90 degrees. Friday, a breezy day, 84 degrees. Saturday, very nice, 79 degrees, lower humidity values. Sunday, a bit more humid with a southerly flow, 82 degrees. And then Monday and Tuesday, we'll see a heat wave coming to the Mid-Atlantic region. Hot and humid conditions both days. Should stay dry. Temperatures expected to reach the upper 80s to lower 90s for Monday and Tuesday next week, with a 20% chance of a pop-up thunderstorm on Tuesday. That's going to complete our 10 a.m. weather briefing. We'll be back tomorrow morning at 8:15 and at 10 a.m.